In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove fill color from text field in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever opened a fillable PDF and noticed that a text box has a solid background you don't want, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to clear it so the field looks transparent and blends with the page. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and loading the PDF that contains your form. Make sure you're in Pro DC since the tools we're about to use live there. Next, head to the top of the window and select All Tools. This brings up a dashboard of everything Acrobat can do. From here, choose Prepare a Form. That switches Acrobat into form editing mode where it detects and displays your interactive fields. You'll see outlines or labels around the fields so you can edit their properties rather than their content. Now, locate the specific text box whose background you want to remove. Double-click that text box. This opens the Properties panel for that field, which is where all the formatting and behavior options live. If you don't see a panel right away, look for a dialog or a sidebar labeled with the field's name. Either way, you're in the right place. Within the properties, move to the Appearance section. This is where the visual settings are controlled, such as border color, line thickness, and, most importantly for us, the fill color. Think of fill color as the paint poured behind the text inside the field. When it's set to a solid color, you'll see that colored background even when the field is empty. Click Fill Color and then select No Color. Choosing No Color removes that painted background entirely, leaving the field transparent so the page design shows through. If you also see a border you don't want, you can set the border color to no color as well, but the key change here is the fill. To make sure everything looks right, click Preview in the toolbar to see the form the way your users will. Alternatively, you can press the Escape key to exit editing and interact with the field. Type a bit of text to confirm the background is gone and readability is good against your page. If you still see a light tint when viewing, that may be Acrobat's viewing highlight for form fields rather than the field's own fill color. The change you just made controls the field's actual appearance. Repeat the same process for any other text boxes you want to clean up. And that's it. Your text fields now have no fill color and a cleaner, more professional look.